YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video, I have an install of this unit right here, and I'm gonna briefly give you the specs on it. This is, let me look at my phone. This is a wig that you can purchase on Amazon, and I will have the link in my description. Definitely click on the link because I am an affiliate with Amazon, and when you click on my links, I will get a small commission if you decide to purchase this wig. So I really appreciate it if you do. Thank you so much. And I'm going to read you the specs on the wig. So the brand is Luxe Melan, and it's a black long wavy wig with bangs. As you can see, ocean wavy, so you see it has waves and it has lots of body, and I got it in the color black. Let's see, it's a glueless synthetic wig, no lace, none of that, so you don't have to worry about glue, you know, anything to your edges, nothing like that. It's very easy, very beginner friendly. So it's a glueless synthetic bang wig, full machine wig with bangs. And some people, it says that they could do cosplay with it as well, because this is the picture that is showing here. Now this wig is very affordable. Right now it's $9.99. But as you know, Amazon can change their prices, and they have it in different colors. They have it in black, burgundy, or ginger, as you can see there. And you're looking at this does not look like a $10 wig. So if you're on a budget and you want to, you know, you don't want to have time for lace or glue or all of that, I would definitely recommend this wig. Also, it says here that it has a soft texture, which it does. It's highly realistic. It's not too shiny, as you can see. Natural wave, so it's a nice little wave pattern and good volume, natural looking fringe. It has 3 comb clips, so 1 on each side and then 1 in the back, and then you can also adjust the band. The length on this unit is 22 inches, and I'm 5'3", so you see it comes up to like here, right up to my bust line, I guess. So this is 22 inches, so it's not too long. As you can see in the back, it's coming up to here, like my bra straps. If you don't like the bangs, you can also cut them. Instead of cutting them, I just did like a part on the side and then swooped this to that side and swooped it to the other side. And I really like this unit. I am pleasantly surprised. So be sure to stay tuned for the install so you can see how very much easy it is to install this unit. Please give this video a like and share, and definitely check out the link for it in the description. Also, if you're interested in the lip gloss that I have on, this is Cranberry Kiss from my collection, Kharyzmaforyou.com. Go online and you can find it there. And this is what the Cranberry Kiss is looking like. And smells so good. So check it out at Kharyzmaforyou.com and stay tuned for the install. So this is what it's looking like. That's the box and all of the packaging. That was a wig cap, and this is the care card with all of the instructions. This is the wig with the little net over it, and I'm just gonna take it off. And that's what she's looking like fresh out the box. It's a wavy wig with bangs. So I'm just going to show you the inside of it. It has 3 comb clips, 1 on each side of the front and 1 comb clip on the back. And as you see, there are adjustable straps there. So I already have my wig cap on, and it comes with a wig cap. Like I told you, I think there's 2 in the pack, and that's what she's looking like. Very easy to put on. Just put it on and then adjust the comb clips to how you like. I'm just adjusting it in the back, and then now I'm just adjusting the 2 that's on the front. That's the first one right there. And yeah, I'm adjusting that. Put it like right behind the wig cap. Same thing on the other side. There we go. So now I'm just, I probably had to adjust the one in the back because I didn't put it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now you know you gotta fix it up. These wigs do not come already fixed up. As you can see, I don't really like the way that bang is looking. In terms of it being so feathery, like, I don't know, it just doesn't look right You see how I'm trying to comb it down to just leave it toward the front, but I don't really like the way that bang looks. So I'm just combing out the waves. It's wavy, it's kind of flat, so I'm just combing it out to give it some body. And those waves are really loose waves, very easy. But again, you see how that bang is looking? I didn't like it, so I had to try to fix it in a way that I want. You can cut it to make it more blunt, but instead I just like made a part and then, you know, swooped it over to the side. One side to the right, one side to the left. That's what I usually tend to do with my bangs, but yeah. So I'm just brushing it, fixing it up. I'm using some Murray's Edge wax, and you can use this for a lot of things, just to keep any flyaways from, you know, you want the wig to stay in place. When you don't have wax, it's just kind of moving everywhere, and I don't really like that, so I use that to keep it in place so that the bang could pretty much stay in place and all the rest of the hair. And now I'm just putting on some of my Kharyzma For You lip gloss. That's Cranberry Kiss. Definitely check out the website. It smells good, looks good, and feels good. And that's how it's looking. Very easy. You see how easy that was, you guys? Really, really nice. You see the waves are looking nice. Lots of body, lots of movement. Very realistic. You can wear this wig every day if you want. It's just very, very easy to wear. So definitely check out the links in the description. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Bye-bye.